February is a great month to enjoy a variety of hearty and comforting foods. Here are some options. Winter soups. Warm and hearty soups are perfect for cold February days. You can try a classic chicken noodle soup, or switch it up with a creamy tomato soup or a spicy chili. Roasted vegetables. Root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and beets are in season in February and can be roasted for a delicious and healthy side dish. Citrus fruits. February is peak season for citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. You can enjoy them as a snack or add them to salads or desserts for pop or flavor. Comfort foods. February is a great time to indulge in classic comfort foods like mac and cheese, lasagna, or shepherd's pie. Chocolate. With Valentine's Day in February, chocolate is a popular treat. You can enjoy it in the form of chocolate truffles, a chocolate cake, or even a cup of hot cocoa. Seafood. February is a good month for seafood, including oysters, clams, and mussels. You can enjoy them raw or cooked in a variety of